It was a beautiful hike. Hey guys, today we are at Lake Worth in Fort Worth, Texas. We're here for Christian's graduation from college, and we are at the Marion Sampson Park that sits right on Lake Fort Worth. It's over by the base, so you may see and hear some jets, but we're gonna go check out a really cool trail. So let's go see what this place has to offer. Okay, so this park has a ton of trails, and you can see all of these trails that they have. So depending on how far, how long, where you want to go, it does give you the information about the terrain as well, and then lets you know how far each one is to the lakes, to the waterfalls. And this is an area where swimming is prohibited, and where the dam and waterfalls are, it's very dangerous. So don't try to, pull something crazy and swim anyway. Dogs are allowed here, but they do have to be on leash, and you also need to clean up after your pets. So a super easy way to support us that is free is by giving us a thumbs up, and then making sure that you hit that subscribe button if you love travel and adventure videos. Be sure to hit that bell so you can stay up to date with our latest adventures and let YouTube know to show it to more people. Because this is where the waterfall is. And they do let you know too, if it's muddy, don't bother trying to do this, or if it's storming. Obviously, because of flash floods, it can be very dangerous. Probably not the best shoes to be doing the hike in, but that's all right. Look at how gorgeous, though. It's been raining here a lot. It is going to be a little bit steep, so we'll see how this goes in some Birkenstocks. It is definitely rocky, so if you have a hard time with balance, or back problems, hip problems, knee problems, this would not be the trail for you. So I did take the drone out. I got it all set up. There wasn't any signs here that said you couldn't fly. We weren't quite sure because the base and Lockheed Martin is across the way. And unfortunately, when I turned on the actual app, we did find out that this was an enhanced warning zone, which means you're very, very close. It's just not suggested to fly in enhanced warning zone areas, because if you make a mistake and you go the wrong way, or you fly too close, it's just not going to be good, and you're talking really fat fines. So I apologize. Really wanted to get y'all some really cool drone footage over the lake, but this was just not the area to do it in. So we're just going to settle for the walking hike instead. And I can tell you, just by hearing the sound of the waterfall down below, I'm pretty sure it's going to be gorgeous. Okay, so it can definitely get a little sketchy here, guys. I will tell you that. I probably should have thrown my tennis shoes on before starting. I can also tell you it's going to be quite steep going back up. But we'll see if the view is worth it. And there's some really cool places to check out. I also will tell you, you really need to be careful if you come to do these trails, because the rocks are really loose. So keep that in mind. So far though, it's a beautiful place to hike. You just need to be careful. There was a lot of rain. We've been here since, oh goodness, I think we got in on Saturday because we drove straight through from Florida. And the only day we had where the weather was good was Sunday for Mother's Day. And we were staying at a lake house up in Granbury that my sister Mary and Dave rented for the week. And the rest of the time, no joke, it has been cold and storming. So there was a lot of rain, which definitely plays a part in how easy the trail is, because there is a lot of loose rocks right now. Hopefully I'm going the right way. Oh, he just flew off the rock. I hope that came out on the film. So this area, once you get down the steep area, it seems to be much easier, which is nice. Very green and really pretty. It did say that there and back was a little over a half mile, so it's a short hike when you park at the parking lot. We'll see how accurate it is though. I can hear the water a lot more. It is definitely really, holy cow, it is really muddy. Oh, look at that. It's all over my shoes. Oh my word. Oh, how pretty. Look at the ducks. Now over there, I think we're going to go straight, but you can see over here that rock formation looks amazing. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's go back up this way and try to go down further. And hopefully we can find our way back, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is gonna happen because that road looks really muddy. Really, really, really muddy. But maybe at least we can get a better peek from over here. We are definitely not going to be able to walk up that road though. Holy smokes. Look at that, y'all. That is a muddy mess. Let's go this way. Butterflies. Okay, this is going to be fun. Oh, wow. Okay. That was worth it. That's beautiful. So I'm not sure how those kids got across the way to get up on top. I know that there's a way, I'm just not sure how they did it, but man, isn't that gorgeous? Let's get a little closer. And this is one thing, I'm not gonna lie, it really irks me to no end when people leave trash. I mean, there's just no reason for that. It's absolutely disgusting. And how can you say places like this that are so gorgeous and you just leave disgusting trash and junk? Look how pretty. Yeah, I wish there was a way to figure out how they did that. We'll walk up here and see if maybe you can cross up here, but I don't think you can. I mean, really? People, what is that? So this goes along the creek. Oh, this is where we were previously. By where we were, but I'm not sure how they got. They had to have crossed through the water, but I don't have water shoes, so that's not happening, y'all. All those bugs. Oh, maybe they crossed on that big log. Let's check. Oh, it's a little sketch. Look at the duck. See, they got over there. I think they crossed on that one right there. But this is so stinking muddy to try to get there. I know I would end up in the water. That would just be no good. Alright, y'all, let's do a 360 really quick. Alright guys, so there you have it. It was a beautiful hike, totally worth it, not long, and that view, that's insane. So we will see you on the next adventure. Until then guys, get outdoors and go make some memories. Bye bye.